do welcome back to yet another episode of my life. My name is Andy for those of you who do not know me, but I now go by the name of Usis Melissa Ludidi, okay? So this is my space, this is my show, and this is my comfort zone. To my returning subbies, thank you so much for coming back. And to my new babies, please do welcome and welcome and welcome. Please do stay and become part of the family, okay? Oh my goodness, depends on how you put an intro because it's been forever. I'm actually not sure if I am doing a comeback. I'm not sure if this is my comeback, but if this vlog does make it to the end, because a lot is going on. I think I still owe you guys. I owe you guys a lot, and I know I do. I've been away for, I think it's been 3 to 4 months. I'm not sure, but I've been away for the longest time. Some of you might know by now, I've been so sick. Like, not just sick, guys. There is sick, ne? But there is sick. So I've been on that train since September. But it's not something that I do not want to share, but I do feel like for now I am not ready to share, ne? As soon as I'm ready to share it with you guys, so I'm gonna give you guys a sit down video to explain this is what has been going on. And I'm gonna be right, guys. I'm gonna be right. So if you do happen to see me, there are days right, there are days gonna be right. So I've been away from the social, not away from the social media. I'm only on TikTok and I'm only on Instagram, ne, and the Facebook. So I do try and post on TikTok, even though I'm posting like in the theater, you know, but I do post sometimes. For banning as you know. So I haven't been posting up on this app because I haven't been doing anything. I've been in hospital for forever, for the longest time. So I think I'm back now. I'm not sure if I'm back or I'm making my comeback, but as I've said, I am still gonna do a sit down video to explain to you guys what has been going on. So today I thought I should just start this vlog because I think I have izinto to do. Guys, ever since I got sick, this is my first time actually going. No, I'm not even going out to it too, but I'm just taking Uimi, my daughter. She said she wants to go to ACE, and I think I need to do that today. And the date, I'm not even sure. I think the date is the 26th. I think that the date is the 26th of Jan. And I also need to go and do a gift shopping because 2 of my friends bezizalo apha January, and one thing about me, birthdays is January and guys, I'm sorry. So 2 of my friends bezizalo and umntana wechomi yam naye bezalo, so I think I need to do as a gift today and then see if uzokwazi drop off na, but engichomi yami bezalo izolo, so I'm gonna drop off the gift yakhe today and then see as I'll be able to drop them. Because one thing about me, guys, even from now, I hate it when let me not use the word hate, ne, but I do not like it when someone gives me imali on my birthday. Like, I could simply send them imali, but imali, man, I feel like it doesn't have a value enough, you know. So I prefer buying gifts. So I'm going for gift shopping today. I'll see what I get. I actually wanted to get a chomiam. I knew already and I wanted to get a mirror, and I told them, man, I'm gonna get a mirror. But unfortunately, one of our friends decided to buy the mirror. Oh my goodness, but anyway, I'm gonna see when you can pick up. So what else? I think that's just about it for now. Because I'm still not fit enough for uamba, like uzula and all that stuff. So yeah, masameni, guys, I'll see you when I get there. You guys and yes no season, but anyway, masameni, guys, I'll show you everything that I got. So you promenade, and then after that so yanjika Ace and just pizza and whatever, and yeah, that's just about it. And then I'll see if I have anything to do and do a vlog. But as I said, if this vlog does make it, guys, but here we are now. This is me officially coming back to you guys. Okay, masameni, guys, I'm just gonna Uber ngoku. I'm just gonna Uber and then wait for Uber and then siyamen. So I'm really stressing at this point because I'm not sure about I'm not even sure about the time is now it's past 1. I think it's almost 1:30 ngoku. Sekuzobe 2 but let's just pray bazofika ngavalwanga, but if ufike sekuzovalwa then it's fine. I'm just gonna see bana ndizokwazi ukufumana ntoni and then ndithenge loo nto ndizokwazi uyithenga. If I'm not getting anything then I'll have to go to a waterfront noba kungomso, waterfront okanye Century noba kungomso. The reason why I'm going ngoku again is because I already promised Amy bana sizohamba, and you know how kids are, so I can't just change ngoku ngomso zokugqibela, so I still need to go with her. So if uvaliwe we'll just eat and then come back. If not, again, lucky enough for us sizoyenza le nto besiyoyenza. So uber ngoku guys, iyasokolisa into ka-Uber, especially ngemini zoba busy because oko bendirequesta nge-past 12 ingona ndizoyifumana ngoku imoto, but ingona sihamba ke ngoku, so masamele. Umama bheki yakhe kodwa uphathe yam njani? Andiyazi kaloku uzozinxiba ngoku kodwa.
Ndizozinxiba phaa, ndizozilinganisa xa phaa kulaa ndawo yotya.
Soze sanulava njani isifika? Sifike ezinyenye. Going shopping and being sick is the kids. I'm just sitting here ngoku because ndaqalisa ukugula. As I've said guys, I haven't been out ever since I started getting sick. So ngoku I'm not used to being in public, not even in public, like I'm not used to walk for a distance ezinde. I just take imoto and then ndiye emsebenzini, then come back and then ngqabile. So ngoku I have to walk around ndikhangela ndikwa-Edgar's ngoku. I just wanna see bandizokwazi ufumana ihlangu na cute shoe for umakoti, and because kwa-Fortune andifumenanga nix kwa-Fortune, so ndiba ndizozoba lapha for the longest time, but guys, hopefully izohamba right. Kamulan mo. Sana, guys, we had some change of plans. I just wanted to update you on that. So I remember earlier on I did mention Banandizoya Ekhayelitsha because I wanted to deliver Zonya's gifts that I had because because I think I got a few things. So today, but unfortunately I couldn't get the gift A1. So couldn't be one and a half gift because the late so abanye abantu bayithunde bafumane le gifts zabo, but one of them akekho. So I'm thinking it's going to be a waste of time bana ndiye ngaphaya kwa-Ace because besizodibana khona neetshomi zam kwa-Ace, but it's also going to be useless ngokuba ndizodibana noyi-1 and then noyi-1 andizodibana naye. So I'll just try and make time noba next week and see if ndizokwazi na uzisa, but for now sisePronid. So umntanam decided uba ulambile, so siye sayothenga ukutya kwa-Burger King. So I'll just chill with her and then when you are done, sizogoduka because asinanto sizoyenza apha. We are done and like the shops are closed. It's already late. Sifike late nyanyana apha because and now I'm thinking bana if bendize izolo ngendifumene yonke le nto endifunayo, but yeah, at least I got a few things. So I'll see you guys and yes, I'll see you in but yeah. Delicious. Good morning, my loves. So it's another day. Today is a Friday. The date is, and yes, I know the date, but today is a Friday and it's still early in the morning. I think it's almost 7 o'clock. So I'm just going to the doc. I'm going to the doctor with my mans. So yeah, for a checkup, guys. As you know, I've been sick. So I'm just going for my checkup today. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Like I'm just, and yes, but we'll just have to pray and see. But I've been so sick. I think I've been so sick like the past few days again. But at least I'm not like before. Yeah, I think I'm not like before, but I'm still very sick. So Shamundwam decided I was on Kappa namhlanje because Ogobensia and daughter could checkups, Ogobensia and daughter and all that. So just going with him. Say hi, babe.
Hi, Loves.
Hello, So today I'm not wearing my ring, and then I'm showing Loput, but I'm not wearing my ring today. And so I'm telling him it's at home, but also iyandiga because inkulu, so ingalahleka anytime. So I'm also telling him he says okay, there's no need bandi if it's big. Okay. So he says if andinxiba ring ndiyancwaswa kakhulu and I hate that, and at least kubhetere xa ndinxiba earring. Not him saying he's gonna take the ring then ayoyiresiza. Like bekuthe ngatsho ekuqaleni before ndimxelele uba ndiyancwaswa, but ke anyway uzoyithatha ring yam then ayiresiza, hopefully ezobuyisa right because I cannot wait. Like ndiyayinxiba but also risky because ingalahleka any day and any time. So yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys that update. For a check up. I'll see you guys when I get there because I don't have much to do. It also after this I'm just going straight to work. Ingase ndingayi sana ndike ndiyogalavanda nomntu wam, but ke sasithe siyawufuna sana noba unjani. So I'll see you guys when I get to the doctor. Bye. Hold it. So we just got here ke ngoku la tata usemotweni uthe mna ndijonga kakubi sana engathi ndenza into wrong. So we just got here ke ngoku. It looks like kugcwele sana and I'm not up for that. Vula half 7. Vula half 7. I'm not up for that, but we'll just have to wait and see because we have to be here. Like it's not like dinner choice and stuff. So yeah, guys, I'm so yick. So I just decided to come and sit in the car because sana I am not coping standing pana. It's so packed. Because Umduam is doing the things sana just for the line and we're not supposed to be there. So here was Obuza, so got Thomas. So of money sticker up and then that's just about it. Imagine that's for like la line go with me. And just like that we are done. So we're coming back from the doctor ngoku, and yeah, things are looking okay with. I think I am getting better and right. I'm not okay fully, but it's promising. Ndiyaniba betere. So akho ndingako bethu ugqirha ebonileyo kum, but ke just to say bana you are still sick, but otherwise akho nto ingako ayibonileyo. So now ndilambile, and andazi noba ndifuna utya ntoni, but I'm so hungry like ndilambile. There are things endizityayo, there are things endingazityiyo, because yonto endigula yiyo yinto lapha kum ngaphakathi apha kwi-system. As I've said guys, ndizonishorela xa ndi-ready to share uba kwenzeke ntoni, why bendigula, but like ngoku I'm not ready. So yinto lapha kum ngaphakathi wethu lena, so ndinezinto endizityayo ndinezinto endingazityiyo, so ngoku I'm not sure ubana ndicravela ntoni. So yeah, masameni sobona ezindlela ihamba basizothini. Nazi ezi gifts ke sana that I had to deliver this past weekend, but kushate one up, so I'm gonna try and get happy to deliver these today, and then hopefully abantu bazoba happy. But unfortunately guys, I cannot show you what's inside because maybe abantu bazothanda xa zivezwa ii-gifts zabo, I don't know. So I'm not about to share that information, but ke abantu bazo will have to get them today, ndiphume kubo abantu bakaJanuary, and then see uFeb usiphathele ntoni, uMarch, April is my birthday actually. And yeah, for this year's birthday I am going big, because the last time I celebrated my birthday I was 21. So this year I am going big, son. Hey my dozies, so it's another day in the week. So today is a Sunday, and I'm just gallivanting with my man. So I'm not gallivanting actually, we it just fetched me from emsebenzini ngoku. So I'm sure you guys still remember I mentioned bana this year I'll be going big. Not big guys, I don't have any expectations, but I'm thinking of celebrating a birthday this year, because the last time I celebrated my birthday I was 21. So I'm thinking of doing a small celebration just for each of Nizam and a family nje, just to celebrate me, you know. And age and inkulu guys, inkulu, like it's huge. So yeah, so ngoku I was actually looking for indawo ne endizoyenzela kuyo, but I couldn't find. Indani babe? Isitho sebabayo? Not super, just hot air. I'm sorry guys. So bendisathini ngane, oh okay, I was actually looking for a venue ne, and benifuna ivenue ephandle, like a setup ephandle, but I couldn't find anything ne. And then I decided bana ngoku endapha ndiyoyenzela kwamakazi wam, because makazi wam uhlala can only mention about uhlala phi, but yeah, so I decided bana ndizoyenzela khona. So we just need to go there ngoku and check bana le setup yakwakhe izokwazi usi-accommodate nangale ndlela ndifuna ngayo, and then if not, then it means bana we have to start over sikhangele even. I'm just hoping and praying, because phana kwamakazi wam kuzobe ndizosebenza, I'm going to use the backyard. So I'm thinking bana it's actually what I wanted, bendifuna indawo ephandle, even though kuzobe sekuqalisa uba sebusika, because ibirthday yam ingo-April, even though uzobe kuqalisa uba sebusika, but I'm just praying bana kuzobe kungabandi and all that, because indawo ephandle. And also I won't have kuthiwa yintoni plan B if leyana yaphandle doesn't work out. And ebesithi bana also we can try iWynberg Park, but I'm thinking bana no, only ndiyayifuna wethu iWynberg Park. I also tried looking for Airbnbs, but sana they are so expensive, they are so and as much as I want to celebrate myself, but andifuna uzishiya ndibroke kulo nyaka, because if ndizo-end apha ngoku mhlawumbi ndithatha ivenue for usuku oluyi-1 mhlawumbi endabe isithi 6,000 7,000 8,000, like ininzi loo mali guys. I could have done something else ngaloo mali. So the first plan that I had bendifuna uyenzela kamakazi wam, omnye umakazi wam, but I'm also thinking bana nama naphana, andiyazi why, but like I thought bana no mandingayenzeli phana. Also the reason why ndingafuna uyenzela phana ne ngoku apha ku-March they are hosting i-21st birthday ka-cousin wam, and also ke ngoku ndiyonqena ba sithi March and then siphinde sithi April siphinde senze an event, so that's also one of the reasons. And obviously andifuni yenzele ekhaya, because if I happen to do it ekhaya guys kuyagcwala, like uyayazi into yaselokishini, everyone obaphana ozofuna ukuya, you know, and I'm trying to avoid that. So ndifuna uyenzela ke ngoku kwindawo apho ndizo invite just my people endibaziyo, and then ndinga-invite anyone else. So yeah, we are going kuloo ndawo, siya kwamakazi wam, angathi kuloo ndawo siya kwamakazi wam ngoku. And then yeah, that's just about it. Uhab is just getting himself food, and nam uzondithengela obviously, because andilamanga kakhulu mna, nguye umntu olambileyo, but uzondithengela ke so that sitye sobayi-2. So yeah guys, I'm not sure if ndizofuna unibonisa. I don't think nah man, mandingambonisa ngoku, because obviously ikhona i-vlog endizoyenza, but ndizoyenza xa ufikelo xesha. We still planning stages ngoku ne, and then i-vlog ndizoyenza xa ufikela xesha uba i-birthday izokwenzeka ngalo. So I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna take you guys through all the steps. So bendifuna nje uni-update kuloo nto namhlanje. Oko bendithule guys, ningandiboni oko ndithule, like I've been at home ndingenzi nix, so ingona ndifumana i-chance ke ngoku yoba ndiphume phandle. So yeah, that's just about it. Yosendithethe 4 minutes yonke ngoku. So yeah guys, I'll see you ndizophinde nini-check. We are actually parked in front of Lendawo guys. Some of you might know Lendawo. So to think that few years back, I used to stay here guys. St. Peter's Ave residence as a CPUT. I stayed here, and Sana, if you know, you know. If you know, you definitely know. This used to be my home, and Sana, at times I miss this place so much, because Sana memories are zazi huge. Like yonke into about this place, Sana. Abantu abaselayo ke uspa Pick and Pay liquor and everything was just there yonke into. And yeah, we got food up at Barcelos. I've never had ukutya kwabo before, so this will be my first time. So yeah guys, i-packaging yabo Sana is giving ukutya okuninzi ngaphakathi, but now i-rice andiyazi Sana, andiyazi, but we'll just have to taste. Kaloku ndithi uba ina-gravy like yomile. Hayi Sana, we'll just have to taste. Hopefully kutesta kamandi. So imali lela look. 83 rand. Oh, it's not that bad. I got bad for rice nenyama nepisi yenyama, so cheap she. So yeah, nansi milk. Hey my dolls, hey my loves. Sana ndigqibele kudala ubamba le phone. The last time I did, I think it was, I'm not sure the date, but I think it was the time we went for a viewing of a venue, and then yeah, and then Kang and Pin and Ben had pleasure to do anything. So the day today is the 15th of Feb, a day after Valentine's. So we are coming back from Wenye Indao again for a viewing, because we've been doing viewings because in the funayo, and then go it looks like I didn't need for mine exactly in the funayo, but I think finally my life is rosy, because I think I got Indao that I like. A good day, like it's so far, it's at 15 plus minus 20 minutes from Usuga Delft, but I don't think it could take a cool. So I'm thinking for Abanya Bandabasuga, it's gonna be far, but we'll have to do anyways. So I think that's sorted for now. And yes, I think we are just going back home. I'm not sure if we're going, and there's Basia people from Moku, but when it comes to a venue, I just wanted to update you guys on that, because the last time I spoke to you, then the stressor, because Sana uplena indo and who's plenela when it's the pits. So guys, this year I decided, but no man, after being sick from September, almost I think I reached the age and I was like, nah man, it's only fair when this celebrated, because the last time I celebrated the birthday, I'm going to the 21st ekhaya, then and go so I haven't been celebrating birthdays. To whom to get like fanazu birthdays like we celebrate, and this way but for me having to celebrate myself. I'm not someone who does that more often, so I decided this time, let me just do it for once. If anything happens, so yeah, that's why I decided to celebrate a birthday this year. And I'm not going big, but I want hence why ndingenze compromises. If I need venue, they are greater. If I need venue, they are great. So I'm hoping, man, after viewing Lena and those opinion that I'm gonna like more than Leia, because this is beautiful, this is perfect. It's just so unfortunate that I'm not able to show it to you guys vlog, because obviously I'm still gonna do a new vlog for preps event. And what else? Yeah, I think that's just gonna be about it. So yeah, guys, and in Tanaziseba, this event goes well. I think I have any expectations, guys, are normally, but I'm just celebrating myself. I don't have any money. Yonke lento iyabiza, guys, and but because I am celebrating myself, right? So yeah, guys, let's see. I just wanted to update you on that, because and it looks like it and I hate that. I don't want that. So yeah, guys, Sana, if there's one thing about men, they don't care. Guys, look at how crusty I am. Just look at me. I am so crusty. Yes, I'm a wife, but like Sana, my man just decides, okay, he wanted us to go to Uspe, and I was like, okay, like Uspe, alright, because I'm not saying there's anything wrong with Uspe, but like Uspe, you don't really have to dress up and cute and all that, but at least we vibe, right? So now we are going to this other fine dining, and this is how I'm looking. Because he decided he wants to change Uspe. See, when in now a cute. But again, this is how I'm gonna look for today. It's not I think it's a date. I think Unsagi date, but he didn't want to tell me why he's taking me on a date. But when you're so used to being like cute, and then with this one day, decides I'm not gonna look cute. So I had one of those days. So we are going to Lendau P. It's in Stellenbosch. Cattle Baron, Stellenbosch. So yeah, that's where we are. And then what else, guys? I actually wanted to update you on something, yes, Anna. Not even update you, but like for people that are gonna ask Banam in DP, like winding I suppose, because I'm sure you guys can see I've been posting on TikTok. Some of you might have seen, but like in Nakon, I'm not consistent, because like and Gabi writing I'm not fully okay. I am okay, but not fully. So and Gabi like even in guys, I'm looking so crusty. The reason why I haven't been posting up or haven't been doing any content in the hands, and I'm fine, but the reason why I'm not posting is because the account got demonetized. So before I got sick, there's a lando verification, and then I was waiting for a letter again. The letter didn't arrive, and then the process I got sick, and then underwear anything. So my account was demonetized, and then and send a letter. So I was like, nah man, I'm not sure guys, like I'm not sure if Linda. Like I don't know what's gonna happen with it, but I just decided until there's a live verification, and then when I'm done with the verification, then I can come back and post. But I'm gonna post it. If you happen to see any video, just know my account is already sorted. But for now, I got because sorted. So yeah, that's why guys, like I missed you a lot. I miss you both, like in real time. So guys, like to be honest, but I am gonna come back fully once my account gets fixed. So yeah, let me galavant with my man over here. But decided about guys, answer wrong. And Indo MB is that I cannot even take off let dog, because the mess at least in so that counts for something. So anyways, so Masam guys, according to the decided he wants us to galavant without without even telling me phofu uba sizogalavanta. So masameni. Akushushu. And then the worst thing is that I'm coming from seeing my dad in love, and and then his calf, and I cannot with the heat. I'm literally dying, but unfortunately befuneka ndinxibe like ndithwale and then ndinxibe iscarf, but ndizozikhulula ngoku ndizofika endlini. So I think we have reached the end of this vlog. Yeah, guys, I've been vlogging, but also it's so unfortunate. But when am I gonna take this vlog out? Because but hopefully izopuma. Yeah, hopefully izopuma. The reason why I'm closing off this vlog is because I want to start a new vlog. Probably from this coming week. So anfuni ba ibende, and then the money the cutter here and there. So that's why I decided to just close this vlog. So yeah, before I close this vlog, guys, I just wanted to share something with you, Sana, and I'm not sure no, and there's no, I should share this thing with you, but I think there are people up about the situation they want, or maybe people that have been in the same situation that might maybe, and yes, abantu that might give me advice or and yes, but yeah. So few months back, yeah. When you came back from the Eastern Cape with Sisuko Yonxiba, Sana, if there's one thing about me, and okay, unfortunately, but maybe that's what I am. So andithandi mali ephumayo, like ephuma nje. Ingasimali, if we have to spend money, I need to know, man, we are spending money for something concrete, So we've been renting for the rest of our lives, not the rest of our lives, but when we moved in together, besirent. He was renting, Nama was also renting, and then we moved in together, and then saphinde sarent. So ngoku le mali besirent, it was crazy, to be honest. Like, it was crazy. For that's irent yase Cape Town, it's just that expensive. So for me, I felt like bana la mali is too much for basirent. There I was, Gesana, coming with a decision. Engayaziyo bana ndiyithathe phi. I decided, but okay, I told my husband, bana sana le mali sirenda aba inintsi, and then ke ngoku le mali sirendayo if singayisave, okay, he's coming. Ukugcwele? Sothini yo? Kaloku baba funeka sizithengile ayanjena sizokwazi nofika endlini singazithenganga. Amasijwa kwenye shop kaloku, masijwa kwenye shop sijonga egarage.
Easter eggs egarage?
Andiyazi kaloku.
Zikho ngoba khona ezo nto pha.
Zikhona baba Easter eggs, izoba yilantuka ngoku.
Aziyeke uzazithenga ngomso.
Azuthi wazithenga ngomso uzozifuna ngoku.
Baba sawuya ngomso uzazithenga ngomso nto. Kugcwele pha.
Good morning. Ooh. Good morning, guys. I'm hoping you guys are still doing well, and I'm just hoping you guys are still enjoying the vlog. So the last time I spoke to you guys, I'm not sure when was it, I'm not sure the day exactly, but I know it was the day I was telling you guys this story, been sitting in the phone or something, but then I decided also because he had to go to ShopRite to get in on Easter eggs for him, and then he couldn't get them, and then we ended up seeing us for money anyway. So I decided by no man and kafuni share a story. So I know I said I'm closing a vlog that day. So I just decided to pop in Upper Way and then close Lena again will give vlog like the Valley officially, because I need to start a new vlog, and then go. I'm also thinking, man, let me just release the new vlog way too, because it's no use bandigcine and then go bekudala ngokonindile and okonandukile. So I'm just thinking, let me just release that vlog way too, and then account it's demonetized, and I'm gonna try to get that fixed. And yeah, so I'm not ready to share a story ngoku, and then when they're ready to share, you guys know me, I'll come back and every detail, every inch. So yeah, so it's just about that ngoku. So so I said I'm gonna start a new vlog ngoku, because if I'm gonna continue any vlog, it's already long and I'm funny drag any further. Also guys, I was watching a live vlog while I was doing the editing, and I'm thinking to myself, because the crusty vlog the crusty since day one. No one needs to say that's so unlike me. But guys, remember, I am doing this vlog in the process of your recovery. Like, I'm gonna be fully recovered, but I just wanted to give you a vlog. So obviously I just over, you know, but I promise you guys on the next vlog exactly. But for now I'm still going through it all, but I am getting better. So yeah, thank you so much guys for being this patient with me. Like I'm so you unsaid. Thank you so much for being patient, and I see you guys are still subscribing to the channel, and it means a lot. It really means a lot. So let me just close this vlog off up again guys before you need to get any further. So please don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and to subscribe. To subscribe guys, it means content ezayo. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one guys. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.